All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of break number 8, which is the All Hall of Fame card series. So we'll check the time May 6th at 9:45 a.m. We're gonna go over to the break. What the hell's going on? Over to the break and type live. We have May 6th at 9:45 a.m. There's the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. We're going all the way. 12. 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Bryn. Spot number 10 is our winner. So Bryn, whatever we pull out of break number 8 tonight is yours. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, May 6th, 9:46 a.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.